One thing to note about this ULA, and honestly, it's a common misconception, especially in the IT organization, an unlimited license agreement with Oracle does not mean you can use all Oracle products. It's limited to a specific set of products. In this case, there's 12 or 13 products here. Database options, middleware, Golden Gate, some other things are on here. And you're limited to that. So that's one of the gotchas in the ULA is the folks who are actually implementing the software, the technical people on the ground, hands on keyboards, usually don't read these agreements or don't have a summary of these agreements. They don't know what they're licensed for. And the way Oracle packages the delivery of their software, when you download Oracle database, you download every extra cost feature and function and option, regardless of whether you're licensed for it. So someone in IT who makes a download and installs some software might not see this list. And often, even when you use the products, it doesn't say, hey, this is a partitioning option. Make sure you have a license for it, right? You're just sort of doing command level inputs, and boom, you've triggered something that Oracle would say is a licensable event. So it's really important that when you're entering in a ULA, that first of all, everybody understands it's not for every product. It's not a limited set of products. It's a very limited set of products. It's also limited for use by a certain group. In this case, it's the city of Austin, right? So that is really important, that customer definition. In this case, from a government perspective, it's usually a little more simple than if you were a commercial enterprise. But the city of Denver has people logging in to check their taxes and make sure that log a request to fill in the potholes in the street. So are they allowed to use, are they hitting an Oracle database? Or is this really for employees of the city of Austin? What about retirees? What about benefit holders? What about, other entities out there? What about the school district? All those things are things that you need to think about, not only to ensure that the ULA works for you during the 3-year term, in this case, but also make sure you can get out and certify, right? Those are the types of things that lead to audits, is when the customer definition in the ULA doesn't match the reality of who's accessing the software.